Okay, let's take a look at masks. You can go into new project. I already have some files here ready. So let's drag the red fire down into our timeline window. And now let's drag the teal. I'm going to put the teal on the top layer because I want that to be in the front. And what we're going to do is start with creating a mask. And you can do this with either the pen tool or any shape on the shape tools here. Let's start with maybe a rectangle. And I'll put the rectangle here. And so that gave us a mask. And you'll notice that the entire background just disappeared, which is because down here in our mask, what our mask did under the teal, it added to the red fire. So the red fire will be the background, and this added the shape to it. Now, if we wanted to subtract it, which is we wanted the teal to be the background, and we wanted to take this away, we would just change this right here from add to subtract. There we go. Okay. Let's try to move this around a little bit. I'm going to close this. I'm going to hit M for mask, and I'm going to hit double M. So MM, and this will give me the properties under the mask. And I want to give it a keyframe for mask path, because we're going to move it. So let's give it a path. So I click the stopwatch, give it a keyframe. Let's go into our selection tool, and here, I always forget. I have to click on the mask path in order to move it. Try it again. Mask path. And I have to grab one of the points. Probably this point over here on the right is usually the best one. Okay, so we'll go ahead and leave that there for the first frame. We'll move it here to the end, and we'll kind of move it over here somewhere. Okay. And now we have our moving mask. Okay, now while we're still selected on the teal, let's give it another mask. Let's try a circle this time. And let's start this one maybe about right there. That looks good. Okay, so down here we'll see mask 2. We'll select that, hit M&M, MM. Let's give that a keyframe for mask path. Let's see, we'll give that time. And once again, we're going to get the selection tool up here. And we're going to go down to select the mask path right about here, so you can see all the points are selected, so I can move that. You can kind of see that it's there. You can kind of see it kind of moves along with it. Now let's make it move more up here. Let's see what that does. Okay. That looks good. Let's go up to our mask, our square mask up here, mask 1, and let's try to feather it, give it a feather look. So there you can kind of see it feathers out the edge. Let's zoom in here. So you can kind of see that where it gets really sharp edged. to a real soft edge. Let's give it, we'll go around 50. And if we don't want those lines to show up when you're looking at it, there's this tool right here, the Toggle Mask and Shape Path Visibility tool. So you can look at it with or without. I don't think we need it, so we can leave that off. And let's try the mask expansion, which is down here at the very bottom. We'll just make it real small at first. Let's give it a keyframe. Hit the stopwatch. Maybe by the time we get over here to the end, we'll make it much larger. There we go. Okay, let's trim it. Give it a preview and see how it looks. And that's about the start of learning about masks.